Welcome back, LPN Junior here. Today, I have made a challenge lock. Well, I made it yesterday. So I'm going to try to pick it right now, and then I'll go ahead and gut it and show you what's inside. It's called Don't Thread on Me, so that's a little clue for you there. Here's the bidding. Pretty normal bidding. The key does work just fine, both ways. Standard keyway, not too hard to fit picks in there. So let's give it a shot. I can tell you right now, I've tried picking this several times, and I've gotten pretty much nowhere. So here we go. Some clicks on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. This is a 5-pinner, by the way. Kind of a click on 4, click on 5. Okay. Click on 1, 2, nothing on 3. Kind of a false set on 5. Right? Yeah. Let's go back to 1. And here we are. I can put 0 tension, and that core is not moving until I do manual counter rotation. So let's get back to that spot real quick. So there's a little bit of a false set on 5. So I'm putting no tension on the wrench at all, and I'm not getting counter rotation. So what I have to do is put very light pressure on the pick, gingerly do some manual counter rotation, and then we'll lose pin 5, and I don't see how you can actually get multiple pins set with the way this is working. So I'll leave it at that as far as the pick goes. Let's go ahead and, ooh, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and gut it. Okay, so get my C, try to get my C clip off. Okay, I'll be making use of the pinning tray LPN made for me. Let's see. Okay, this is only pinned up with 5 pins. So theoretically it wouldn't be as hard, but we know what happened with that. So here's pin number 5. I'm sorry, it's pretty dark down there, you can't really see. And what do we have in number 4? I'll try to get a close-up later, but that pin is threaded. And same in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, and let's look at the key pins. I've put some serrations on the tops of the key pins to make it harder for you to undo an overset. So there's 5. Four, 3, I think it'll be easier for me to do 1 first. 1, and oh, that's number 3. 2. Okay, now all the chambers are threaded in the plug and in the Bible. Oh, forgot about the springs. These are all standard springs. Let's see, do I have a little flashlight? Yeah. I don't know how well you can see that, but all of the chambers in the Bible and the plug are threaded. And not only that, the threads are timed together, so what that does is the threading on the driver pin engages really well with the threading in the plug and the Bible at the same time. So when I pinned this up with 1 pin, and it was pretty easy. It wasn't too hard to pick once I figured out the reverse tensioning technique, but once I added the serration on the key pin, it made it a lot harder because you get an overset, and it'd be basically impossible to undo without dropping the whole pin. So let's see if I can show you all the pins at once here. Yep. So I'm going to be sending this to Steel Pinnings first. He seems pretty experienced. His video should be up around the same time as this one, and I guess we'll see if he can get into it. Maybe he has some secret techniques to share with us about how to pick something like this. But when I was thinking of this idea, I was thinking to myself, well, what would be the evilest thing I can think of? And that's what it was. Threaded pins and threaded chambers. So go ahead and check out Steel Pinnings' video. That'll be in the description. Also, make sure you go ahead and have some fun in the Lockpickers United Discord and lockpicking subreddit. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.